We are going to start parade float around 2 p.m. So from now till 30 minutes, we'll be having sponsors, we'll be having politician leaders speaking and introducing themselves. They are the one behind this parade. Their approvals and their support financially, mentally, physically and otherwise made this happen. So 1:30 onwards, Bollywood stars will be here. Sonu Sood is going to be our Grand Marshal. He'll be here shortly. He'll speak around 1:30 along with Sonal Chauhan, our chief guest, Bollywood actress and a singer. And by 1:45, 1:50, we'll wrap up and we'll start the floats. You all can have sing, dance, go in the part of the marching groups. There'll be a lot of food on the side streets, and a lot of vendors have agreed to distribute water and other things. So please enjoy that journey. Mayor Joshi and Mayor McCormick, thank you for coming, and request you to just say a few words and take over. So Mayor McCormick, maybe we'll start with you being our pioneer.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the most fun day of the year in Woodbridge and Edison, the annual Asian Independence Day Parade. I'm joined here by my Chief of Staff, Carolyn Ehrlich, and by the great Mayor of Edison, Sam Joshi. I just want to say thank you to everybody involved in putting this together. Township, and we're so proud of the job that they do for us. So I want to say thank you to all of them. They're all my good friends, and we spend a lot of time together. And now it gives me great pleasure to turn the microphone over to a colleague in public service. We have the two biggest towns in Middlesex County. When Woodbridge and Edison are together, nobody can stop us in the county, and nobody can stop us in the state of New Jersey.
Yeah, hi, we all are from different states here right now. I'm from Delaware, they are from New Jersey, I think so. And we are doing this Indian Parade today as for the breast cancer and cancer awareness. And it's a great cause event. Yeah, so we are happy.
Would you like to say something in Hindi? So the more
Bharat
the
Mata
people...
ki Jai.
Jai Bharat Mata.
पाँच साल पहले आए थे, सोनू जी बोले मुझे वापस क्यों नहीं बुलाते हो, I wanted to meet you all again. So Sonu ji, this is home, away from home for Sonu ji, and Sonu ji has promised to come more often to IBA's events, including India Day Parade. So Sonu ji, वापस आपका बहुत बहुत हार्दिक स्वागत है, और आज आपके लिए वेदर भी अच्छा रखा है, तो आप आज भी जॉगिंग कर सकते हैं. Like 5 years back, people have come in the track suit. So for you guys who don't know, this is like a 2 miles parade. Last parade he literally jogged for 2 miles. So Sonu ji, we want you to say a few words to our people.
Sonal Chauhan to say few words.
Namaskar. How are you all? Bharat Mata ki? Bharat Mata ki? Bharat Mata ki Jai. Thank you so much. This is my first time in New Jersey, and this is so beautiful to see all of you here together, the whole Indian community. It's my pleasure, and I am really looking forward to this parade. Thank you guys, and I'm going to see you soon again on the trolley.
Now, are you ready? Our own Mr. Sonu Sood.
कैसे हो आप सब लोग? You know, it's really an honor.
Sam, along with Sonu ji, you can come in the front. They are going to give guest salute. So
Limu pani.
My Whoever have these, they stay here. Whoever have these, if not, they are out.
I'm Sanjana and I'm here at this parade.
Zabardast, sir. All good, sir.
You remember me?
Of course, I always remember you, man.
I want to come.
अभी ये इधर लाइन अप करते 2 मिनट रुकिए हाय बच्चा हाउ डूइंग कैमरा से भाई
You guys with this? This is yours? Not big. Say something. Yeah.
So we are here right in Oak Tree Road. We got our cookies, freshly baked, cake. Everything is pure eggless and vegetarian. Visit our store right near Oak Tree Road, which is on the Happy Independence Day, guys.
They are having the best cake. I buy it all the time from there. All pastries and all things very good.